Some common knowledge about onions includes the concept that onion juice can prevent hair from thinning and shedding. Onions contain a significant quantity of sulfur. Sulfur promotes blood circulation, which benefits both hair growth and repair. You may already be aware that protein is crucial for hair development. Sulfur, which is included in numerous amino acids that go into the making of proteins, is one of the primary nutrients required for hair to grow. Another protein with a lot of sulfuric amino acids is keratin. Scientists have established that onions are effective in treating hair issues like dandruff, infections, and premature graying. In this video, we'll show you a remedy that uses honey and onion juice to treat hair loss while also leaving your hair silky and shining. Honey helps to moisturize and has several cleaning benefits. Consider the following. What you'll need: 1 onion, honey, blender, strainer, bowl. Your choice of essential oil, optional. An onion should be peeled, chopped, and blended. Strain the pulp that has been mixed. Press the pulp with a spoon to release the juice. To the juice of the onion, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Add a few drops of an optional essential oil, such as lavender oil. How to apply? Use this combination to massage any bald spots or your entire scalp. Put a shower cap on your hair and wear it for at least 30 minutes or overnight. In the morning, rinse your hair. Keep doing this every day for a few months, or until you are happy with the results. As an option, consider grating the onion instead of blending it, then squeeze the liquid from it. A cheesecloth can be used for squeezing in place of a strainer. A juicer may also be employed. Also consider freezing the onion for about 15 minutes before chopping, to stop your eyes from watering or crying when cutting it. Use rosemary, lavender, peppermint, or other essential oils that are comparable if you want to add a nice smell. To mask the strong onion smell, you can also add rose water or lemon juice. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.